Hello everyone, in this video we have to calculate for x to the power of 6 from this equation. So now let's get started. So now from here I'll have my 3 to the power of x all to the power of 3 here equals. Now we find the factors of this one. You can see that 3 will repeat itself 5 times all to the power of this 3 here. So now we apply the power rule. So I'll have my 3 to the power of x all to the power of 3 equals. Now this one gives me. So now we have the same base here. So we compare the exponents. So doing so, I'll have my x to the power of 3 equals my 15. Now to find x to the power of 6, what we will do is to square both sides of the equation. So squaring both sides of the equation, I'll have my x to the power of 3 all squared and this 15 to squared. So from here, the power rule, my x to the power of 6 equals this 15 also gives me 150. So this is my value for x to the power of 6. Thank you for watching the video, but please don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell for more videos.